Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for French Social Security. First, understand that this process is crucial for accessing healthcare and other benefits in France. You'll need to gather specific documents to begin your application journey. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary information. We'll cover everything from initial registration to receiving your vital card, making the process clear and manageable for you. To start your application, you'll need several key documents. Ensure your passport, visa, and a translated birth certificate are ready. You'll also need proof of your French address, like a recent utility bill, and your French bank details for reimbursements. Don't forget to fill out the SURFA form 15763*02 accurately. Double-checking these items now will help prevent delays later in the process. Before we continue, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're perfect for navigating all the paperwork, keeping your feet comfortable. Check the description for links to these amazing socks and other helpful resources. Your support helps us create more content like this. Now, let's get back to the video. After preparing your documents, submit them to your local CPAM office. Sending it via registered mail with acknowledgement of receipt is highly recommended. You'll first receive a provisional Social Security number, followed by your permanent one after verification. With your permanent number, you can create your Amelie account online and then easily order your carte vitale, which is essential for healthcare reimbursements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.